Hello everyone. Welcome back. In our videos, we use a simple and effective learning system. This method is based on repetition. We repeat words and sentences so they stay in your mind. Then you repeat with us. Repetition helps you learn English faster and more easily. Stay with us and improve your English step by step.
Listen and repeat.
Begin, begin. Meaning, to start something, to start something. It is the first start of something. It is the first start of something. Sentences and examples.
I begin my work. I begin my work. Hakeem begins his new job. Hakeem begins his new job. Today, Jenny begins her English lessons. Today, Jenny begins her English lessons. Listen and repeat.
Leave, leave. Meaning, to go away from a place. To go away from a place. Sentences and examples.
I leave the house. I leave the house. Sammy leaves the university. Sammy leaves the university. Sma leaves her friends and finds a new job. Sma leaves her friends and finds a new job. Listen and repeat.
Arrive, arrive. Meaning, to come to a place. To come to a place. Sentences and examples.
I arrive at school. I arrive at school. Layla arrives home at lunchtime. Layla arrives home at lunchtime. Sammy arrives home from the university in the evening. Sammy arrives home from the university in the evening. Listen and repeat.
End, end. Meaning, finish something. Finish something. The last part, when something is finishing. The last part, when something is finishing. Sentences and examples.
The class ends now. The class ends now. My university lessons end. My university lessons end. Tom finishes writing his book today. Tom finishes writing his book today. Listen and repeat.
Early, early. Meaning, before time, before time. Coming before the time starts. Coming before the time starts. Sentences and examples.
I wake up early. I wake up early. Hakeem goes to work early in the morning. Hakeem goes to work early in the morning. Manager arrives at school earlier than others. Manager arrives at school earlier than others. Listen and repeat.
Late, late. Meaning, after time, after time. When time is already past, when time is already past. Sentences and examples.
He is late. He is late. Hamid arrives late at his office today. Hamid arrives late at his office today. Jenny comes late to class. Jenny comes late to class. Listen and repeat.
Before, before. Meaning. Earlier than something. Earlier than something. Before something starts. Before something starts. Sentences and examples.
I eat before school. I eat before school. Andy washes his hands and face before going to work. Andy washes his hands and face before going to work. Layla drinks water before sleep. Layla drinks water before sleep. Listen and repeat.
After, after. Meaning. Later than something. Later than something. Sentences and examples.
I study after school. I study after school. Hakeem plays football after university. Hakeem plays football after university. Layla exercises after sleep. Layla exercises after sleep. Listen and repeat. Always.
Always. Meaning. Every time. Every time. Sentences and examples.
I always read. I always read. Samim always stands at work. Samim always stands at work. Mariam always listens well in class. Mariam always listens well in class. Listen and repeat.
Sometimes. Sometimes. Meaning. Not always. Not always. Sometimes means not every time. Sometimes means not every time. Sentences and examples.
I sometimes walk. I sometimes walk. Jenny and dogs sometimes walk in the park. Jenny and dogs sometimes walk in the park. Elias sometimes drinks coffee at night. Elias sometimes drinks coffee at night. Listen and repeat.
Never. Never. Meaning. Not at all. Not at all.
Something you do, not do at all. Something you do, not do at all.
Sentences and examples.
I never run. I never run. Sunia never drinks alcohol. Sunia never drinks alcohol. Layla never goes out with a boyfriend at night. Layla Never goes out. With a boyfriend at night. Listen and repeat.
Here, here. Meaning. In this place. In this place. Sentences and examples.
I am here.
I am here.
Hakeem just arrives here. Hakeem just arrives here. Samim has not arrived here yet. Samim has not arrived here yet. Listen and repeat.
There. Meaning. In that place. In that place. A place far from you. A place far from you. Sentences and examples.
The book is there. The book is there. Your cat is there, under the table. Your cat is there, under the table. I will arrive there soon. I will arrive there soon. Listen and repeat.
Inside. Inside. Meaning. In something. In something. Sentences and examples.
The cat is inside. The cat is inside. Esma is inside the room. Esma is inside the room. Kareem is inside the academy yard. Kareem is inside the academy yard. Listen and repeat.
Outside. Outside. Meaning. Not inside. Not inside. Sentences and examples.
He is outside. He is outside. Jenny went outside the yard 3 hours ago. Jenny went outside the yard 3 hours ago. Tom does not go outside his office area. Tom does not go outside his office area. Listen and repeat.
Up. Up. Meaning. To a higher place. To a higher place. Sentences and examples.
I go up. I go up. Sunia goes up to the roof. Sunia goes up to the roof. Layla picks up the plate and puts it on the table. Layla picks up the plate and puts it on the table. Listen and repeat.
Down. Down. Meaning. To a lower place. To a lower place. Something is in a lower place. Something is in a lower place. Sentences and examples.
I sit down. I sit down. They go down the road. They go down the road. Listen and repeat.
Near. Near. Meaning. Close to something. Close to something. Sentences and examples.
The school is near. The school is near. Layla and Sunia go to a nearby area. Layla and Sunia go to a nearby area. Your book is near Hamid. Your book is near Hamid. Listen and repeat.
Far, far. Meaning, not near, not near. Sentences and examples.
The city is far. The city is far. The city is far from our village. The city is far from our village. Hakim goes to a far university. Hakim goes to a far university. Listen and repeat.
Together, together. Meaning, with other people, with other people. People do something with each other. People do something with each other. Sentences and examples.
We study together. We study together. Hamid and Hakim do homework together. Hamid and Hakim do homework together. Jenny and her mother work at home together. Jenny and her mother work at home together. Simple story. One day, Jenny wakes up early in the morning. She begins her day with a smile. She eats breakfast and then leaves the house. She wants to arrive at school on time. At school, the class begins. Jenny always listens to the teacher. She sometimes asks questions, but she is never late. After school, Jenny and her mother go home together. They work at home together and help each other. In the evening, Jenny studies. She studies before dinner and rests after dinner. At night, the day ends. Jenny feels happy because she did her work well. She says, "Today is a good day." Do you like this method? Write in the comments and subscribe. Stay with English No Limits.